Hello everyone, welcome to Season Foods Life. Today I am here to share with you all a simple and a healthy recipe, Veg Chapati rolls. It's quick and easy to prepare with the available ingredients in your kitchen and is perfect for your morning breakfast or even your evening snacks. Now let's get started with the process. Here I have taken about half a cup of sliced onions. I have also chopped capsicum, carrot and cabbage, taking half a cup of each. Now take a pan for frying, add some oil, heat the oil and then add the sliced onions and fry them. Now add the vegetables, cabbage, carrot and capsicum and sort them lightly. For chapati rolls, there is no need to cook the vegetables completely, just sort them lightly. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt and a half spoon of pepper powder and a half spoon of coriander powder and mix them. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and then add a little tomato ketchup. Now mix them and sort them for 1 or 2 minutes and switch off the stove. The filling for chapati rolls is ready. Now make the chapati. Roast the chapati on a pan. Now the chapati is ready. Spread the tomato ketchup on one side of the chapati and place the filling in the center and tightly roll the chapati and finally wrap it with a paper to hold it. This is a healthy and easy recipe. Kids will definitely like this. Do try this recipe in your kitchen and like the video, share the video with your friends and relatives and subscribe to my channel Season Foods Life.